Folks, I've seen it all. Steam cars, electrics, even peanut oil engines. But Toyota's hydrogen push? That's a game changer. People call it a water engine, and they're not wrong. Imagine, the only thing out the tailpipe is water. No smoke, no smog, just H2O. It sounds like sci-fi, but it's real, and Toyota's been at it for decades. Instead of cleaning up after combustion, hydrogen avoids the mess entirely. This isn't just about zero-emission cars. It's about rethinking how we power everything. Trucks, buses, even homes. Why now? Because we're at a crossroads. Electric cars are great, but they're not perfect for everyone. Long-haul truckers need quick refueling and long range. Some places can't handle mass EV charging. That's where hydrogen shines. Toyota's not picking sides, they're betting on both hydrogen and electric. They launched the Mirai, the first mass-produced hydrogen fuel cell car, back in 2014 and have been refining the tech ever since. Smaller, more powerful, cheaper to make, Toyota's pushing hydrogen as a key player in a cleaner future. It's bold, but that's what drives progress in the car world. Hydrogen isn't a distant dream. Toyota's investing big, seeing a world powered by diverse energy sources. Watching a giant like Toyota double down on hydrogen is thrilling. It's the spirit of innovation in action. This is about more than cars. It's about progress for everyone. The love of cars is about moving forward, and hydrogen could be the next big leap. Let's see how this water engine works. So, how does this water engine work? Enter the hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicle, or FCEV, like the Toyota Mirai. You fill it with hydrogen gas just like gasoline, but inside is a fuel cell stack, a quiet, powerful mini power plant. Here's the science: hydrogen enters one side, oxygen from the air the other. Hydrogen atoms split into protons and electrons. The electrons travel an external circuit, creating electricity to power the motor. The protons pass through a membrane. On the other side, protons, electrons, and oxygen combine to form water. Pure H2O is the only emission. No CO2, no smog, just water vapor. Driving a fuel cell car feels like an EV: smooth, silent, instant torque. The big difference? Refueling takes 5 minutes, not hours. It's the convenience of gas with the cleanliness of electric. Fuel cells solve problems batteries can't, showing there's more than one way to build a clean car. That's real engineering magic. Toyota isn't stopping at fuel cells. They're also burning hydrogen in a classic internal combustion engine, the H2 ICE. Imagine a regular engine, pistons, spark plugs, that familiar rumble, but fueled by hydrogen, not gasoline. It's a bridge between old-school mechanics and a clean future. Mechanics know these engines, factories can adapt, and Toyota's testing them in grueling motorsports. The result? Almost zero carbon emissions, just water vapor with minimal nitrogen oxides thanks to advanced exhaust systems. No rare earth metals needed, and the visceral driving experience stays alive. This tech is perfect for heavy-duty vehicles and performance cars, using what we already know to go green faster. Hydrogen combustion offers power, familiarity, and a path to zero carbon driving. The future doesn't have to be silent, it can still have soul. Toyota's proving it on the track and the street. Battery electrics and hydrogen fuel cells aren't rivals, they're teammates. Battery EVs are perfect for daily commutes and city driving, efficient, easy to charge at home, and low maintenance. But for heavy-duty jobs, trucks, buses, ships, batteries get too heavy and slow to recharge. Hydrogen steps in where batteries struggle. Lighter tanks, longer range, and refueling in minutes. A hydrogen semi can haul more cargo farther with less downtime. The same goes for buses, trains, and people without home chargers. It's not about one being better, it's about using the right tool for the job. Battery EVs handle personal mobility and urban logistics. Hydrogen vehicles are the workhorses for long-haul and heavy-duty needs. Both are essential for a clean energy future. Two sides of the same coin, each with a vital role. That's how we decarbonize transport. The future is about options, not one size fits all. Toyota's not standing still. They've launched a third-generation fuel cell system that's more powerful, efficient, compact, and affordable. High cost used to be the barrier, but Toyota's slashed production cost by over half. The new stack delivers 20% more power, works in extreme cold, and lasts twice as long, crucial for commercial vehicles. Durability means trucks and buses can run nearly non-stop, and the tech is ready for a million-mile lifespan. The real breakthrough? Modular design. Compact bricks that can be stacked for any application from cars to trains. This standardization cuts costs and lets other companies use Toyota's tech in their own vehicles. Less platinum, better manufacturing, and higher volumes make fuel cells mainstream. Now it's not just for early adopters. Fleets, logistics, and even stationary power can go hydrogen. Affordable, reliable, and scalable. This is how revolutions start. Toyota's making hydrogen practical for the masses. The future is closer than you think. Hydrogen's impact goes way beyond cars. At the ports of LA and Long Beach, Toyota's hydrogen trucks are cleaning up the air and hauling massive loads. Real solutions, not experiments. Replacing diesel trucks and equipment at ports creates clean air zones for communities hit hardest by pollution. Hydrogen tech powers yard tractors, forklifts, and cranes, making entire logistics hubs zero emission. It's also ideal for backup power. Hospitals, data centers, and emergency services can run on hydrogen generators, staying clean and reliable during outages. No diesel fumes, just water. Public transit benefits too. Hydrogen buses refuel fast and run all day, unlike battery buses that need hours to charge. Cities worldwide are adding hydrogen buses for cleaner, quieter rides. From trucks to ports to power, hydrogen is proving itself as a versatile, heavy-duty clean energy solution. The hydrogen ecosystem is already taking shape. Hydrogen's future is bright, but there are real challenges. The biggest? Infrastructure. Few refueling stations mean slow adoption, and vice versa, a classic chicken and egg problem. Building a nationwide network takes investment and smart policy, but we've done it before with gas stations and EV chargers. Governments are stepping up with grants and incentives, especially for trucking corridors and cities. The other hurdle, the hydrogen itself. Most is gray hydrogen, made from natural gas and not truly clean. The goal is green hydrogen, made with renewable energy and water, producing zero emissions. Green hydrogen is pricier now, but costs are dropping fast as renewables and electrolyzer techs scale up. The more we invest, the cheaper and cleaner hydrogen gets. For hydrogen to be a real climate solution, the fuel itself must be clean. It's a tough challenge, but not impossible. With focus and investment, we can solve it, just like we've done with other energy transitions. The hydrogen revolution depends on clean fuel and robust infrastructure. We're on the way, but there's work to do. So, what's the takeaway? The future isn't hydrogen versus batteries, it's both. Battery EVs are perfect for daily drives and city life, efficient, convenient, and getting better every year. Hydrogen vehicles are the heavy lifters powering trucks, buses, and ships where batteries fall short. This multi-pathway approach gives us flexibility and resilience, letting regions choose what works best for them. Some places will lean into battery EVs, others into green hydrogen. The real enemy is carbon emissions, not which tech wins. By embracing both, we accelerate the shift from fossil fuels and build a sustainable transport system for everyone. It's an exciting time for car lovers and the planet. We're witnessing the biggest change in a century, and the road ahead is wide open. Let's drive into a cleaner future together.